Starting a small business from home with mini wooden crafts is one of the smartest ways for a beginner to enter the woodworking world without needing expensive machines or a big workshop. The best part is that small wooden items are easier to produce, require less raw material, and can be made even from leftover pieces and reclaimed wood. When you focus on mini crafts, you can create products that are affordable for customers, easy to transport, and attractive enough to sell both locally and online. This kind of business also grows naturally, because every small project you complete improves your skill, your finishing quality, and your confidence as a maker. What makes this topic even better is that these mini crafts don't just help you earn money, they also help you build your skills step by step. As you keep making small wooden items, you naturally become faster, cleaner, and more confident, and before you know it, you're producing quality work that looks professional. So if you're ready to learn how to turn small pieces of wood into beautiful products that can sell locally or online, then you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. So make sure you stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to share practical ideas and tips that can truly help you start mini wooden crafts the right way, even if you're a complete beginner. If you enjoy content like this and you want more simple woodworking ideas for home decor and small business, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend who loves DIY projects or wants to start a side hustle from home. Your support really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more valuable content every week. One of the strongest advantages of mini wooden crafts is that they fit perfectly into modern home decor trends. People today love simple, clean, handmade items that add warmth to their homes, and wood is always seen as a premium material even when the design is simple. A small wooden piece can look expensive when it has smooth sanding, a neat shape, and a good finish. Because of this, you don't need to build big furniture to impress customers. Even a small item, if it is well finished and well presented, can create a strong brand image for your home-based business. One of the strongest advantages of mini wooden crafts is that they fit perfectly into modern home decor trends. People today love simple, clean, handmade items that add warmth to their homes, and wood is always seen as a premium material even when the design is simple. A small wooden piece can look expensive when it has smooth sanding, a neat shape, and a good finish. Because of this, you don't need to build big furniture to impress customers. Even a small item, if it is well finished and well presented, can create a strong brand image for your home-based business. One of the strongest advantages of mini wooden crafts is that they fit perfectly into modern home decor trends. People today love simple, clean, handmade items that add warmth to their homes, and wood is always seen as a premium material even when the design is simple. A small wooden piece can look expensive when it has smooth sanding, a neat shape, and a good finish. Because of this, you don't need to build big furniture to impress customers. Even a small item, if it is well finished and well presented, can create a strong brand image for your home-based business. Another powerful idea is using scrap wood and reclaimed materials to reduce costs. Many people throw away small wood pieces from construction sites, furniture workshops, or old household items, but these leftovers can become valuable raw materials for mini crafts. If you learn how to clean, cut, and prepare reclaimed wood properly, you can produce products at a very low cost and still sell them at a good price. This is also a strong marketing advantage, because customers love eco-friendly and sustainable products. When you explain that your items are made from reused wood, it makes your brand story more attractive. Finishing is where mini wooden crafts become truly marketable. Even if your design is simple, your finishing must be smooth, neat, and clean. Sanding properly, rounding sharp edges, removing glue stains, and applying a uniform finish makes your product look professional. Beginners often rush the finishing stage, but in business, finishing is the difference between a product that looks homemade and a product that looks premium. Customers usually judge your work first by appearance, so a good finish increases your chances of selling, even before they touch the item. Selling locally is also a strong starting point for beginners. Many customers prefer to see handmade products physically before buying, especially in the early stages when your brand is new. You can sell to neighbors, friends, coworkers, local gift shops, weekend markets, and small home decor stores. Local selling also helps you build confidence, because you can receive direct feedback and understand what customers want. Once you build a small reputation locally, it becomes easier to expand to online selling. Consistency and quality is what will separate a hobby from a real business. Customers may buy once because they like the design, but they will return only if the product is strong, neat, and durable. That means paying attention to joints, glue strength, proper drying time, and finishing protection. Even small wooden crafts must be made with care, because customers will use them in daily life. If your products are reliable, customers will recommend you, and word of mouth will become one of your strongest marketing tools. Time management is another hidden advantage of many crafts. Since the projects are small, you can fit production into your daily schedule without stress. You can work in the evening, on weekends, or during free time, and still produce enough items to sell. This makes mini woodworking perfect for people who already have another job but want a side income. With good planning, you can set weekly production targets, prepare materials in advance, and maintain a steady flow of products without feeling overwhelmed. As your business grows, you can improve your designs and add more value without making things complicated. Small wooden crafts can be upgraded with better finishing, engraving, improved packaging, or customized details. Customization is especially powerful, because customers love products that feel personal. Even simple customization, like adding a name, a message, or a special design detail, can allow you to charge more. This helps your business grow not only by selling more items, but also by increasing profit per item. In the long run, mini wooden crafts can become more than just a small side hustle. They can become a serious home-based business with a strong brand. When you consistently produce quality items, build trust, and improve your presentation, customers start to see your work as professional. The most important thing is to start simple, stay consistent, and focus on finishing and customer satisfaction. With patience and practice, mini woodworking can turn into a stable income source, a creative lifestyle, and a business that grows step by step from your home workshop. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed these mini woodworking ideas and you want more beginner-friendly projects for home decor and small business, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, because it really helps the channel reach more people and keeps the content coming. See you in the next one.